Alok Kumar Badhatia, a renowned figure in the field of digital marketing, recently made a noteworthy statement, suggesting, "Don't learn digital marketing in 2024, instead learn this digital marketing career in 2024." Let's delve into the context and understand the perspective behind this intriguing statement. Background, Alok Kumar Badhatia is known for his insightful views on the evolving landscape of digital marketing. In his recent statement, he encourages aspiring digital marketers to reconsider their approach to learning in 2024. Key points of his statement, Badhatia emphasizes the dynamic nature of the digital marketing industry, where trends and technologies evolve rapidly. His statement serves as a wake-up call for enthusiasts, urging them to broaden their skill set beyond conventional digital marketing practices. Reasons behind the advice, 1. Changing trends, Alok Kumar Badhatia likely acknowledges the constant shifts in digital marketing trends. His advice may be rooted in the need for marketers to adapt to emerging technologies and consumer behaviors. 2. Diversification of skills, the statement might encourage individuals to diversify their skill set, suggesting that proficiency in areas beyond digital marketing alone can enhance career prospects. 3. Future-proofing careers, Badhatia's advice may be driven by a desire to help individuals future-proof their careers. Learning skills that complement digital marketing could be essential for long-term success. What to learn instead, While the statement encourages a shift in focus, it doesn't explicitly mention what one should learn instead of digital marketing. Aspiring professionals may consider exploring related fields like data analytics, artificial intelligence, content creation, or emerging technologies. Conclusion, In a rapidly changing digital landscape, Alok Kumar Badhatia's advice serves as a valuable reminder for individuals to stay adaptable and open to new possibilities. Whether one chooses to specialize in digital marketing or explore adjacent domains, the key lies in continuous learning and a proactive approach to career development. As the digital marketing career landscape evolves, individuals are encouraged to assess their skills, stay informed about industry trends, and make informed decisions about their professional development path in 2024. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।